Hello, Jack. Hello, good evening, Jack. Nice to see you again. What's that? Oh, is that a foam? Wow. Do you sleep there? Where- Oh, are you the first one, Jack?
Yes,
Oh,
I'm
you,
first
wow, you are the early bird? Wow.
Teacher. Dạ, về đôi người à. Nào. Đôi người hơn.
Okay, who is the second one?
Me, I am first. Được ba con kia.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what happened to this? Okay. Did you eat already your dinner?
Yes.
What did you eat?
It's fish.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm eating meat.
Wow, what kind of meat? Fish or chicken?
No meat.
Oh, there are already four. Oh, Mike, Angel. Oh, hello, Angel. Oh, there you are. Nice to see you again, Angel. Are you the first one or Jack? Who is the first one?
Me.
And then Angel is the second?
No, me at first.
Yes, Jack is the first and Angel is the second. Is that correct? Mm-hmm. Oh, I like your hair, Angel. Do you have colors in your hair? Oh, what happened to my camera? Mm-hmm. I use the HD one. Oh, yes, the clear one. Mm-hmm. Oh, where is Mike? Mike, you can enter now. And Johnny. Why Johnny? Why Johnny is late than me? Why Johnny is late than me? What happened, Johnny? Where are you, Johnny? Do you see Johnny Angel? Oh, Angel only said the one is submits homework. How about Jack? You don't make homework anymore. And John,
Yes.
you need
Yes.
you need to make homework, okay?
What?
You need to make homework because
I'm
Angel only
homework.
makes homework. Oh, there you are, Johnny. Yes, you are later than me.
I
Hello,
see
oh, Mike. Mike, you can open your camera now, Mike. How are you today, Angel? You can unmute now, Angel. Oh, why are you
I'm
dancing?
good.
Oh, that's good to know you're good. How how was your school today? Angel, how was your school today?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, did it great? Do you enjoy school today?
Grade two.
Why Angel serious? Why are you serious? Angel, why are you serious today? Oh, thank you, Angel, for submitting your homework. I'm waiting for Jack and Johnny and Mike's homework. Don't forget your homework, class. So you will practice every now and then about pronunciation and how to dictate and speak English. Mm-hmm. Angel, why are you laughing? Johnny, Johnny, where are you, Johnny? Maybe Mike is sleeping. Mike, are you sleeping, Mike? Jack, why are you busy? What are you doing? Oh, you're eating. Oh, what's that? What's that?
I don't know.
Hello, Johnny. Nice to see you again, Johnny. How are you today, Johnny?
I'm good.
Oh, you're good. That's good to know. Mm-hmm. Did you eat dinner already?
Yes.
Oh, what
Yeah.
did you eat? Angel, did you eat dinner
He
already?
is eating fish. Fish.
Why you know he's eating fish? Did Johnny told you, Jack?
No.
Johnny, did you tell Jack you eat fish? Angel, why are you serious? You're so pretty today. What did you eat, Angel? What did you eat? Oh my God.
Meat.
Okay.
I eat French rice.
Wow, I love French fries. Yes, but that's snack. Do you eat rice, Angel? Do you eat rice?
Yes.
Oh, what is the pair of your rice? What is the pair of your rice, Angel?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, understand. What the pair of your rice? Only rice only? You don't have meat or fish or chicken? Vegetables? Wow, that's a lot. Do you eat vegetables, Angel?
No.
Why you don't like vegetables? You know, I eat a lot of vegetables. Yes, that is good for hair and nails. Yes, you can make your nails long and can have a good skin. Try to eat. Oh, there is Mike. Oh my God, Mike.
I'm eating.
Oh, you're
Chicken.
eating. You're eating, Mike.
Yes.
Oh, that's why you're late. What did you
I'm
eat?
eating dinner.
Oh, dinner. Who made your dinner?
My mom.
Wow, that's sweet. Yes, I just finished eating my dinner with my baby. We eat outside.
Teacher, are you the mother in
Yes,
your family?
I am the grandmother.
Huh? I don't see you out.
No, just a filter. I'm already a grandmother. That is my grandson. That is my
Huh?
grandson. Do you believe, Jack? That is my grandson. I am a grandmother.
Huh? Teacher, this is my robot.
Wow.
And this is a big T-Rex.
Oh, the T-Rex. Yes, I saw your T-Rex. What did you eat, Mike?
I eat chicken and vegetable and rice.
Yes. You
This
know,
is
as Asians.
my car gun.
Oh, is that a gun? I thought it's a truck. Tanker
Yes,
truck.
it's a tank truck.
Yes. Oh, John is looking.
Teacher.
Do you like truck, Johnny? Wow, that's so strong. You know, us Asians love to eat rice. But in America, they only eat meat with vegetables. What is in your hair, Angel? What is in your hair? Is that a glitter?
Diamond. diamond.
Wow, that's sparkling diamond. How did you do that?
It's
Teach.
easy.
Oh, it's easy. Oh, how did you do that, Jack? Which one I will press here? Which one I will press here?
Teacher, and this is a car. Three. Teacher, this is my car.
Wow, that is a bumblebee. Bumblebee.
Yes, it's bumblebee.
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 How did you do that, Angel Jack? With effects. How did you do that?
Teacher, you can put in the three circle. Circle.
Where? Oh, the 3 dots. Okay, the 3
Teacher,
dots.
this is my.
And then
Teacher, this is my plane.
remote control. Okay, reactions. Oh, like that? Like that? And then anything else? Breakout rooms. What is breakout rooms? I don't know. How did you do that? What happened to me? If I make a reaction, what happened? Oh, there, the heart. And then after that,
This is my heart. This is my robot.
wow, we have a lot of toys. Very good.
The T-Rex is bigger than the robot.
I don't know what to do, how the effects. How did you do that, Angel? The effects.
Look at the T-Rex. It's doing at the robot.
Where?
Here.
Oh, wow. T-Rex eating a robot. Wow. How did you do that, Jack?
You put the three circle in the next to your heart.
Yes, and then reactions. Where? Names, remote control. Where is it? I don't know.
You put your pattern next to your heart.
Oh, okay. I will try again.
Into your heart.
Reactions.
Next to your.
Oh, there is a lot of reactions. I want the capybara. I'll try the cat.
Capybara.
The 3 dots. I don't know. Can you help me? Okay, class. Now let's start to our exam. Please prepare pen and paper. Johnny, Mike, Angel, and Jack, please prepare pen and paper.
This is my blue car.
Okay, Jack, please read aloud the title of our exam. Fun for starters. Practice listening 20.
Fun for starter, plenty listening 20.
Very good. Okay, this is much more on Angel. We are learning about much more on
Listening 20.
yes, much more on listening part. Sorry, class, I have an asthma again. But I'm okay, don't worry. I take medicine, okay? Now let's have part 1. Listen, draw, there is one example. Oh, it's hot. I need to aircon. Wait.
Ăn gì mà? Ăn trước khi đi học.
Yes, I need to maximize the aircon because I have asthma. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm now feeling better. Listen and draws. There is one example. Okay, number one. Number one is Jack. Number two is Angel. Number three is Mike. Number four is Johnny. And number five is me. Now, please listen carefully and write the correct answers. And the audio starts now.
Part 1. Look at part 1. Now look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Put the jacket on the tiger.
Put the jacket where?
On the tiger.
Right. Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw
Okay.
lines.
Okay. Number
1.
three, Mike.
Can you see the crocodile?
Yes, I can.
Put the skirt on the crocodile.
The skirt?
Oh my
Okay.
God.
2.
Now put the sock under the clock.
Sorry? What can I put under the clock?
The sock.
Oh, yes. Right.
3.
Now find the hippo.
Okay.
Put the hat in his hand.
Right. The hat is in the hippo's hand.
4.
Now, can you put the shirt next to the radio?
Pardon? Where do I put the shirt?
Next to the radio.
Okay. I'm doing it now.
5.
And now put the handbag between the frog and the snake.
Pardon? The handbag?
Yes, put it between the frog and the snake.
Okay.
Now listen to part 1 again. 1.
Jack, number
Can you
one.
see the crocodile?
Yes, I can.
Put the skirt on the crocodile.
The skirt? Okay.
2.
Number two, Angel.
Now put the sock under the clock.
Sorry? What can I put under the clock?
The sock.
Oh, yes. Right.
3.
Now find the hippo.
Okay.
Put the hat in his hand.
Right. The hat is in the hippo's hand.
4.
Now, can you put the shirt next to the radio?
Pardon? Where do I put the shirt?
Next to the radio.
Okay. I'm doing it now.
5.
And now put the handbag between the frog and the snake.
Pardon? The handbag?
Yes, put it between the frog and the snake.
Okay.
That is the end of part 1.
Okay, number one, Jack. What is the answer?
The crocodile. The skirts.
Okay, the skirt.
Crocodile.
Crocodile, correct? Next, Angel. What's the answer? Oh, I can't hear you.
The
Okay.
sock on the clock.
The sock on the clock. Okay, Mike, where is Mike? Oh my God, Mike. Johnny, what's the answer? Number 4. Number 4. Johnny, I can't hear you, Johnny. I'm sorry. Johnny. Okay, the handbag. The shirt.
The sock and next to the radio.
Very good. Okay, now class, double check your answers. Mike, where is Mike? Maybe Mike is sleeping. Are you done, Angel? Okay. Are you done, Johnny and Jack?
Giời ơi.
Đi về bảo đang học, bà không đi chơi đâu, bà đang hướng anh. Đi về.
Okay, finish.
Sao lại thả con chó đi ra?
Oh my God, what happened again to my camera? Yes, strawberry.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, wait, I will my background, wait.
Okay.
Okay,
Teacher,
there,
look.
I'm back.
Teacher,
Yes.
look.
Yes. What's that? Oh, is that a checkered? Okay, class, this is the answer.
I'm finished.
Mike, are you done, Mike? What's the answer? Number 3?
Look at this. It's
Mike. Wow. Mike, now please answer number 3. Please read aloud the answer number 3.
Teacher, you know what is this?
What's that?
It's a poop.
Oh my God. Okay, later, Mike, please read aloud number 3.
Number 3 is
The hat.
It's on the
Hippo's hand. Yes. And na may answer number 5, the handbag, and between the frog and the snake. Okay, Johnny, stop doing that. Okay, we are done with part 5. Are you finished, Mike? Mike, we will proceed to part 2. Are you done checking your answers?
I will go to the bathroom.
Okay, are you done?
No.
Okay, please finish this one so we can proceed to part 2. Mike. Okay, are you done? Part 2? Okay, very good. Next, let's...
I not finished.
Okay.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Okay, I will take your
Okay, we're now part 2.
Okay.
Just kidding. Okay, go. Go, Mike. What's
Teacher,
that?
look at this.
Oh.
It's not everything. It's this acrylic.
Oh my God, my
Dad,
camera.
what are you
Okay.
doing, huh?
Okay, stop doing that, Johnny.
Teacher, how are you today?
Yes, I still
He
have
is good.
asthma. Oh yes, we both, me and my son have cough. But I take medicine. Don't worry. Thank you, Mike, for asking. I think I will get better soon. Where are you, Mike? Are you finished, Johnny?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. How about Mike?
I'm finished. Not yet.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I like the HD one. Yes.
Are you what animal are you like?
Again? Pardon? What is it, Mike?
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is alpaca. Alpaca, the fluffy. Yes,
My
alpaca.
favorite animal is a super crocodile.
Wow, there's a super crocodile.
My favorite animal is
Yes, Jack. Hmm. Are you done, Jack? Mike, are you
my
finished?
favorite animal, teacher.
Yes, what is your favorite animal?
Animal is megalodon.
What's that? Megalodon?
Yes.
Oh,
Megalodon.
wow. How about Johnny? What is your
My
favorite?
Teacher.
Yes,
My
Jack.
favorite animal is the pluk.
What's that?
My favorite animal is a ramaja.
Oh.
My favorite is dog. Are you
Wow, there's a dog. How about Angel? What is your favorite animal? I remember a rabbit, a bunny.
It's a dog. The animal is rabbit.
Oh, what happened? You can't see me. I'm a ghost now. I'm a ghost now.
You go away now.
Oh my God. I'm now a ghost. Oh, there.
Go. What?
What happened to my camera?
I don't know.
My camera. Okay, I'm here. Okay, finish. Mike, part 2.
Okay.
Now let's proceed to our part 2. Now, please read the instructions, Johnny. Listen, write a name or a number.
Rattle.
Okay, what again, Mike?
Part 1.
I thought you're finished.
No.
Please finish this one so we can proceed to part 2.
Okay. Duck.
Is that your room, Mike?
What?
Is that your bedroom?
No. It's not my bedroom.
Whose bedroom is that?
Not who?
Your sister.
No, not my sister.
Liam, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. What's this? Cherry? Yum, 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 yum. Cherry? Yum, 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 yum. Hug. Bless po. Bless. Sleep now. Sleep. Sleep, baby. Sleep now. Sleep. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Okay, finish, Mike. Yes, Jack, you're finished. Wow, Johnny finished. Oh, look, Jack is jumping. Wow. Don't do that. That's bad, Mike.
No, I don't do that. I'm writing words. But
Okay.
Mike. What?
Oh my God, I'm now a robot. I'm now a robot class.
Why?
What happened to me? I'm now disappearing class. Goodbye. What happened to my camera? Oh my God, Mike, you're taking a lot of time. We cannot finish the exercise.
Because I'm angry.
Why? Why are you angry, Mike?
What? Where is Spinner?
Oh my God, you can't see me, class. What happened?
Why you say something? Now where are you, Spinner? Got out. Spinner too.
Finish this one. Are you done, Mike? Now let's have.
How about
Okay, let's have part 2. Are you done, Mike?
Yes, I finished.
Part 2. Sorry, I have asthma.
This is my spinner. Oh, this is my spinner. This is my car. And this is my...
What happened? Okay, I'm back. Okay, class. Number 1 is Angel. Number 2 is...
Minion.
Okay, later, Jack.
Teacher, this is a minion.
Okay, class, later. No more shouting. Angel, number 1. Number 2 is Johnny. Number 3 is Mike. Number 4 is Jack. Okay?
No, why?
Number 1, Angel. Number 2, Johnny. Number 3, Mike. Number 4, Jack. Okay. Now,
Johnny is trying.
okay, I will play the, please read aloud the example, Angel. Where is our example?
What the voice lives?
Yeah.
Is he? Nine.
Very good. This is Alex. Now I will play the audio. Please listen carefully. The audio starts now.
Part 2.
Look
Look at the picture. Listen and write a name or a number. There are 2
You're not
examples.
listening. Okay, number 4, Jack.
Hello. What's your name? Alex. Is that A-L-E-X? Yes,
Okay,
it
don't
is.
do that, Johnny. Oh, don't do that.
How old are you, Alex?
I'm 9.
9?
That's right.
Oh.
Can you see the answers?
Who is Alex?
Now you
Oh my
listen
God.
and write a name.
Who is Alex?
Teacher. Johnny is Alex.
Okay, Johnny. Don't do that, Johnny. Okay, please listen carefully. The audio starts now.
Or a number. 1.
Oh.
Is that
I
your
will get
friend?
some water.
Yes. Her name's Kim.
How do you spell that?
I will get some water.
K-I-M.
Team.
Where does she live?
In Sun Street.
Is that S-U-N?
Yes.
That's a good name.
3.
What number is her house?
15.
She lives at number 15.
Yes, she does.
Okay, are you done? Number
4.
1. Okay.
How old is she?
She's 10 now.
Is she?
For Mike.
10.
Yes, it's her birthday today.
Come here, Liam.
5.
Does she like animals?
Yes, she does. She's got a dog.
What's its name?
Happy.
Is that Happy?
Yes, it is.
Close the door.
Yeah.
Yes.
Johnny is.
Listen to part 2 again.
Johnny. Me. The dog.
1.
Okay.
Is that your friend?
Yes, her name's Kim.
How do you spell that?
K-I-M.
2.
Where does she live?
In Sun Street.
Is
Listen
that
carefully, class.
S-U-N?
Yes.
That's a good name.
3.
What number is her house?
15.
She lives at number 15.
Yes, she does.
4.
How old is she?
She's 10 now.
Is she? 10.
Yes, it's her birthday today.
5.
Does she like animals?
Yes, she does. She's got a dog.
What's its name?
Happy.
Is that Happy?
Yes, it is.
I finished. I finished.
End of part 2.
Okay, number 1, Angel. The answer is
What's the name of our friend? Kim.
yes, it's Kim. Number 2. Number 2, Johnny.
Where
Where does she live?
does she live?
Mm-hmm.
It
Where, Johnny? Why Jack is angry now? What happened? Why are you mad? Why are you mad, Jack? What happened, Jack? Johnny, yes, what are you saying? What do you want to say about Johnny? What do you do, Johnny? Oh, yes, what's that? Johnny, yes. What is that? What's the meaning of that, Jack? Angel, what Johnny do? What Johnny do, Angel?
I turn out.
What's the meaning of that? Okay, no more fighting, class. Please answer, Johnny. What's the answer, Johnny? Number 2. Where does she live? Where does she live, Johnny? Oh my God, Johnny not listening. Okay, she lives at Sun Street. Number 3, Mike. How old is she, Mike? Number 3. Oh my God, what happened? 10. Okay. 15. Oh, what's the number of house? Is 15. How about, okay, number 4, Jack.
Oh, is she 10?
Okay, it's 10. And Happy. What's the name of her dog? Is Happy. Okay, class, please double check your answers.
Charlie poop.
Oh, no more
Johnny is
fighting. Oh my God.
That is mushy. Johnny is mushy.
Oh, don't say bad words, class. No more fighting. Oh my God. Okay.
That
Are you
is
done, Johnny, Mike, Angel?
That is
Teacher, you know what is that? It's a spray.
Okay. Look, Mike, Johnny, and Jack is fighting. What you gonna do?
Say,
Johnny
Shh, don't say bad words. Oh my God, I don't understand.
Rách móc thịt đó. Rách móc cứt ở đi chó. Johnny châu bò đồng điên. Để cất chuối. Johnny muốn chim. Thầy muốn đi đó.
Are you done, Johnny,
Johnny mắc-
Jack, Angel?
Johnny bắt mất
Shh,
chim.
don't say bad words. Don't say bad words. Please finish this one, part 2.
Con thấy con còn đâu có con. Túc tụ.
Teacher. Teacher.
Yes.
I'm finished.
Okay, how about Johnny? Are you done?
Yeah.
Don't say bad words, Johnny. Mike, are you done, Angel?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's proceed to the next. Are you done, Mike? Okay, very good. Now let's have part 3. Okay, please. Now let's have Johnny. Please read the example. Example.
Listen and go back.
What's May drinking? Okay, let's check later. I will play the audio. Number 1 is Johnny. Number 2 is, wait, okay, Jack, please stop. Number 2 is, okay,
So,
Johnny
you know
and
this car? What
Mike.
color is
Okay.
this car?
I will play the audio now for number 1 and number 2. Please listen carefully, Johnny and Mike.
Part 3. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. What's May drinking?
What are you drinking, May? Is it milk?
No, I don't like milk.
Is it pineapple juice?
No, I've got lemonade.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box.
Okay.
1. What's Ben's favourite animal?
Do you like animals, Ben?
I like monkeys.
Do you like lizards?
No, they're ugly. But spiders are my favourite.
2. What is Anna drawing?
What are you drawing, Anna? Is it a house?
No, look.
Oh, yes, it's a car.
No, it's a boat in the sea.
Mấy vụ trạng của tiên thì là giúp bạn
Okay, number 1. Please read the example, Johnny. What's May drinking? What is this?
It's soda.
Yes, it's lemon soda. Very good. Number 1, Johnny. Johnny, what is number 1?
Monkey.
Yes. Okay, please read the question.
What Ben's favorite animal?
Yes. Okay, the answer is spider. Next, Mike. Number 2, Mike. Number 2, please read the question. Number 2. Mike. Mike. Number 2, Mike. What is Anne drawing? Okay, she is drawing about, okay, boat. Number 1 is letter B. The answer number 1 is letter B. The number 2 is letter C. Okay, are you done, Angel?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Jack. How about Johnny, Mike, and Angel?
Yes.
Okay, how about Johnny? Are you done?
Cậu là một bác Toàn nhất.
1 and 2? Johnny, class. Are you done?
Yeah.
Where is Mike? Okay.
Nhất.
Part 3. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Part 3. What's May drinking? Look at the...
Okay, now let's have the part 3. 3, 4, 5. Number 3 is Angel. Number 4 is, okay. Number 3 is Jack. Number 4 is Angel. Okay? And number 5 is me. Now let's listen to the audio. I'll play the audio now. Please listen carefully.
3. Where's Nick's mouse?
Have you seen my mouse, Mum? It's not in the box.
Is it on the mat?
No, it isn't. Oh, I can't find it.
Oh, look! It's sitting on that case.
Nhớ ra bảo
4.
nhớ ra tức là để
What's grandfather doing now?
lớn cô sau đúng không?
Father sleeping in the garden?
No, he isn't.
Is he reading then?
No, he's playing football now.
Wow.
5.
Grandpa.
Which is Sam?
All people like play.
Is this your picture of a bus, Sam?
No, it's my sister's.
Whose is this picture of a helicopter?
It's my brother's. This is my picture, the truck.
Để cũng dạy biết.
Okay, number 3. Jack, what's the answer? Number 3.
Thì chị thấy đối xử với bố mẹ không là đi Minh vẫn đang có bị đại cho kiểu đó mới trả lời.
Okay, stop doing that, Johnny.
Ôi trời ơi.
Mình nói là em đuổi thôi. Thì tự hiểu.
Stop doing that. No more foul. Stop doing that. Johnny. Jack, what's the answer? Number 3. What's the answer? Number 3?
B.
Okay, please read aloud. Where's Nick's mouse? Where's Nick's mouse?
Mouse.
Okay, the answer is in the box. B. Okay, B. In the cupboard. Next, Angel, number 4. Number 4, Angel. Angel. Where is Angel? Angel. Number 4, Angel. Angel, where are you? No, don't do that, Liam. That's bad. Okay.
He's sleeping.
Angel, where are you, Angel?
Angel is my old.
Oh my God, Angel left the room.
Teacher, look.
Oh my God, you have broken screen. Okay, number 4, I will answer, class.
Scream.
Number 4, what's grandfather doing now? Okay, he is playing soccer. Number 5. Number 5, which is Sam's picture? Is a truck. The answer number 3 is B. Number 4 is A. Number 5 is C.
Oh, us. Oh, milk blue. What the hell?
It's hot. Time.
Teacher, I in a place. Teacher, look at me.
Mike, how are you doing?
Use the rocket. Wee. Wait.
Where do you?
Now, teacher, look.
Yes.
Now I will in the nano one.
Are you done, Mike?
Mẹ cũng chịu ấy. Em cũng chịu 3 ấy. Nhớ.
Are you done, Mike?
Bảo mà sống nên chọn bên kênh này cũng chịu luôn.
Oh, what happened to Mike? Oh my God, Mike.
Oh.
Em đuổi biết sao đã.
Oh. Teacher, help me. I don't.
What happened to you? Okay, are you done, Johnny and Jack? Are you done?
Yeah.
How about Jack? Jack, why are you mad? What happened to you, Jack? Enjoy the class. Where is Angel? Angel, where are you, Angel?
You're sleeping.
Okay, we are done. Mike, let's proceed to part 4. Part 4. Part 4 is, okay, listen and color. There is one example. Number 1, what happened? Okay, number 1 is Mike. Number 1 is Mike. Okay, wait. Mike. Number 2 is Jack. Number 3 is me. Number 4 is Johnny. Okay? Yes, Jack. Johnny, sorry. Yes. I don't allow you to write because Angel left the room. Okay. Angel get angry.
1 p.m.
Okay, let's answer this first. Let's listen first the audio, okay?
Part 4. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Can you see the dog?
Yes. He's got a ball in his mouth.
That's right. Color that ball pink.
Pardon?
Color the ball in the dog's mouth pink.
No.
Can you see the pink ball in the dog's mouth? This is an example. Now you listen and color. 1.
Find the table.
Yes.
There's a ball under it. Color it yellow.
Yellow?
Yes, the ball under the table.
Nó kiểu như nó nói hay, nó kiểu như là nó cũng nó đừng không bị như mình là nó bảo như thế là vì mình là
Okay, no more fighting, Jack and Johnny. Okay, no more fighting. Oh, don't do that, Johnny. You're a kind person. No more fighting.
2.
Look at the man.
Yes. There's a ball on his foot.
That's right. Color it green.
Okay. The ball on the man's foot is green now.
Nhưng thì bà cả nhà chứ không là ghét. Đâu có gì cả. Ba thì vừa mới xong đấy, ba công nhận chết bà ấy tính lên.
Hello, is that Mike? Is that your daddy, Mike?
Yes.
Or
Three.
brother? Oh, okay.
Can I color the ball next to
Wow.
the cupboard?
Daddy.
Wow, I like now your background.
Purple, okay?
Yeah. Color the ball next to the cupboard
Get
purple.
out.
Okay.
Như tuổi bạn rồi.
Your daddy is young. How about mommy? Mommy is also pretty.
Đã đi sao là
My
bố
mommy is 39 years old too.
Oh, wow. Okay. Now let's listen again. Angel, you are number 5, okay? Mike?
Teacher, me number 2.
No. I will choose random. Okay, number 1 is Mike. Number 2 is Jack. Number 3 is me. Number 4 is Johnny. Number 5 is Angel. Okay?
Okay.
And look, there is one example.
Can you see the dog?
Yes. He's got a ball in his mouth.
That's right. Color that ball pink.
Pardon?
Color the ball in the dog's mouth pink.
Can you see the pink ball in the dog's mouth? This is an example. Now you listen and colour.
Find the table.
Yes.
There's a ball under it. Color it yellow.
Yellow?
Yes, the ball under the table.
Nhưng mà chắc chắn là ai cũng biết. Em nói chung là em nếu mà chị xác định chị muốn đi nào em
Look at the man.
Yes. There's a ball on his foot.
That's right. Color it green.
Okay. The ball on the man's foot is green now.
Chỗ giữa cái môi không phải là gì. Chỗ vuốt cái môi cũng không phải là đất. Đây em 100 triệu nữa. Bố con đang sầm hài cũng 13 triệu rồi.
Three.
Can I color the ball next to the cupboard?
Yes.
Is purple okay?
Yes. Color the ball next to the cupboard
Để
purple.
1 triệu ấy 500 nó không tài tự được. Nó mất hết giá. Tại vì cái máy nó cùng ngọc ấy. Quay quá không tốt đâu.
4.
Look at the boy.
Yes. There's a ball on his t-shirt.
That's right. Can you color it blue?
Okay. The ball on the boy's t-shirt is blue now.
Cái bộ lắp ráp này sẽ lắp vào mình.
Bôi nó chịu đẩy. Triệu rưỡi tiền rằng người ta nó bán cho cái lọ ngắn để bôi dưỡng.
See the girl. She's got a ball in her hand.
Yeah. Can I color it red?
Okay. Color the ball in the girl's hand red.
Right.
Cái này chỉ nặng lắm.
Nhưng mà bây giờ chị may của chị.
Yes. Let's
Listen to
listen
part 4
again.
again.
Listen again, Mike, number 1.
1.
Find the table.
Yes.
There's a ball under it. Color it yellow.
Yellow?
Yes, the ball under the table.
No.
2.
Look at the man.
Yes. There's a ball on his foot.
That's right. Color it green.
Okay. The ball on the man's foot is green now.
Teacher, what is number one?
Number
you-
1 is mine.
Đấy, thì chị cũng đang sẵn
Number one, you are number one, Mike.
hơn triệu em
I
mất.
is number one is what?
Không đất.
Ah,
Three.
there.
Can I color the ball?
Okay, listen carefully,
One.
Mike.
Find the table.
Yes?
There's a ball under it. Color it yellow.
Yellow?
Yes, the ball under the table.
Number one,
Now listen to part 4 again.
Mike, answer number one.
1.
Find the table.
Yes?
There's a ball under it. Color it yellow.
Yellow?
Yes, the ball under the table.
Two.
Look at the man.
Yes. There's a ball on his foot.
That's right. Color it green.
Okay. The ball on the man's foot is green now.
Hôm bữa em bảo chị chị đi săn mẹ của chị thì tạo đôi chị có đi săn môi xong rồi chị đi
3.
Slip.
Can I color the ball next to the cupboard?
Yes.
Is purple okay?
Yes. Color the ball next to the cupboard purple.
Rồi chị ạ. Rồi một ta còn cái những cái đôi kinh tế thì cũng không phải đôi chật vật nhá, kiểu ở đôi gì ở đôi đi tụi đi để
The boy.
Love
Yes.
you.
There's a ball on his t-shirt.
That's right. Can you color it blue?
Okay.
Yes.
Ball
May
on
I
the
go?
white t-shirt is
Okay.
blue now.
cái nó đỡ mọc mụn, tại như nó sáng cái mặt này. Khó.
5.
Tại như nó chồng đôi
Can you see the girl? She's got a ball in her hand.
Yes. Can I color it red?
Okay. Color the ball in the girl's hand red.
Gọi là
Right.
nhá, các bạn serum xong bôi rửa mặt tắm rửa xong bôi cái serum chị kem đêm ngay khi bôi kem chống nắng rồi.
Hello.
That is the end of the starters
Number
practice
one,
listening
Mike.
test
What
2.
color is number one? What color is number one, Mike?
What color number one is yellow?
Okay, yellow. Number two, Jack. What is answer number two?
Ba con nó nó về.
Twist. Let's have.
Okay, now, no, it's green. Number, okay, please read aloud the answer, Mike, number one. Mike, number one.
Number one is yellow.
Number 2.
Yes. Okay, color the ball under the table yellow. Repeat after me, Mike. Color the ball under the table yellow. Oh, it's almost time. Oh my God. Now, class, we have... Okay, double check your answer, Angel. It's almost time. I'm sorry. Johnny, are you done? Who is number two?
I finished.
Angel, are you done, Angel?
Yes.
Okay, number two is Jack. Please read aloud number two. Color the ball Johnny, where are you, Johnny? Jack, are you done?
Yes.
Angel,
Oh
Mike,
my God.
Mike, are you done, Mike?
Teacher, look at my screen. Oh no.
Oh my God. Are you done, Mike?
I'm done.
Okay, we are done. Very good, class. Okay, we are done with our lesson. Let's have a reward. Sorry, it's almost time. Just didn't notice that. Now let's have, okay, what is this? Reward. Reward. Okay, let's have a reward, class. Wait.
Let's play game.
But it's almost time. It's late already. Is it okay, Angel, to play game? Angel, it's okay to play game? Okay, let's play game.
I want to play.
Hello, teacher. I'm upside down.
Okay, wait.
Teacher, I'm upside down. Hello.
Oh, what happened? Oh, there you are. Okay, let's play game, class. Where is Johnny? Let's have a perfect team. Johnny and Jack.
Bảo ơi, bây giờ đang phải ở đâu vậy? Đang học lên trên đi đâu ấy?
Johnny, where are you, Johnny?
Ngay.
Hello.
Đang học lên trên đi đâu biết?
Okay, team 1 is Angel and Jack. Team 2 is Mike and Johnny, okay?
Okay.
Choose your number.
I'm team 1.
Yes.
15.
15. Okay. Yes, Jack. Yes, you are team 1 with Angel.
Watermelon.
Yes, watermelon. Mike.
Two.
Okay, what is 2?
Right.
Butterfly. Next, Jack. Angel. 16. What is it? It's a honeymoon. Yes. Next, Jack.
Team 2.
Mike. Team 2, Mike. Liam, no. Mahulog ka, Liam. No. Liam, go down. What is the answer? What is your number, Johnny and Mike?
It's 3.
3.
Armchair.
Armchair, yes. Angel and Jack.
7.
7. Oh, what is this? Video game. Wow, good job. Johnny and Mike. 10, 11.
11.
Okay, what is it?
Skateboard.
Okay, skateboard. Very good. Next. What number? What number? Angel and Jack. 8? 9? 10. Okay, 10. What is it? Football. Correct. Next. 4. Okay, what is number 4? Popcorn. Next. 12. Okay.
5.
What is it?
Easy.
Cheeseburger. Very good. Next.
1.
1.
Earring.
Earring. Yes. Next. Five? Oh my God. Take points.
25.
Five?
25.
Okay, 25. Okay.
Number 6.
Okay, what is it?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Next, last 4.
9.
9. What is it?
Học tiếng Anh đi.
Oh my God. Next.
Tiếng Anh nói nhanh lắm.
8. Oh my God.
Đi được cậu đi.
And then last 2.
14.
13. Oh my God. 14. What is it? What is it? Toothbrush. Okay, class. Very good. Okay, let's have a reward. Thank you. Let's have a reward. I'm sorry I don't have prize because I'm in the room. Yes.
Teacher, you know what
Oh, there's a Dojo Islands. Wow.
Tao bé rồi.
Okay, for Team Legends, I'm so proud of you. Being on time. Very good, Jack. And doing homework. Angel is good in doing homework. Helping each others. Good. Oh, don't do that, Jack. That's bad. That's bad, Johnny. Mike, please stop that. Okay, on task. And participating, very good. Persistence in our every lesson. Remember the last lesson. And teamwork. Teamwork and working hard. Now, our top one is... Our top one is... Okay, our top one is... Let's give for Jack. Top one, Jack.
Top 1.
Yes. Top 2. Top 2 is... Who is top 2? Top 2 is Angel. Top 2. Top 3 is Mike. Mike, top 3. Top 4 is Angel. Very good, Angel. Oh, top. Oh, wait. Okay, top 4 tonight is Johnny. Sorry, Johnny. Better luck next time. Okay, I'm sorry, class. I don't have prize tonight. I'm not feeling well. Oh, thank you, Mike. I love you, Mike. Okay, Jack, no more fighting. Johnny, no more fighting, Johnny. Okay, say sorry to each other. Let's love one another, class. No more fighting. We are teams. Say
we are teams, no fighting.
yes. Okay, who was the one who caused trouble? Who is the one who caused trouble? Okay, Mike, no more fighting. Good night, class. Good night, Angel. Good night, Mike. Good night, Angel. Good night, Jack. No more fighting. Have a good night. Bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye.